Right now, plants are growing in your driveway cracks, along your fence line, and through your lawn that you've spent years trying to kill. You pull them, spray them. They come back. Every spring, without fail, without any help from you. You've been spending money and time fighting plants that are more nutritious than anything in your raised bed. Nature already did the planting. No seeds from a catalog. No soil prep. No watering. No replanting. They show up on their own and keep coming back. Your only job is to stop pulling them. That's the lazy gardener's advantage. Number 10 on this list grows in the cracks of your driveway with zero effort, and it replaces a $30 supplement most Americans buy every single month. We'll get there. Number 1, dandelion. You already know this one. European settlers packed it deliberately across an ocean as a food crop. A plant people now pay to kill was once too valuable to leave behind. A handful of young leaves gives you 5 times your daily vitamin K, more beta-carotene than a carrot, and more calcium than a glass of milk. Roots roasted and ground make a coffee substitute that sells for $12 a bag. It drives an 18-inch taproot into compacted ground, survives hard frost, and comes back every year without being asked. It literally cannot stop growing. The next one has been sitting in your sidewalk cracks this whole time, and it's a better first aid kit than most people keep in the house. Number 2, plantain, not the banana. The flat, low plant with thick parallel veins growing in every crack of your driveway and path. Native Americans called it white man's foot because it appeared everywhere settlers went, and they recognized it immediately as medicine. Crush a clean leaf, press it on a bee sting or bite, and the throbbing eases fast. Young leaves can be steamed, sautéed, or brewed into a mild tea for throat support. Zero water, zero fertilizer, zero effort. It showed up on its own, and it's been waiting to be useful ever since. Number 3, lamb's quarters. Tall, dusty green, diamond-shaped leaves with a powdery white coating. Shows up at the edges of your yard in disturbed soil, and most people yank it immediately. Big mistake. It's a direct cousin of quinoa, the grain you're paying $8 a bag for. Its leaves have more protein, calcium, and iron than spinach. 1 ounce delivers 65% of your daily vitamin A. Self-seeds so aggressively that once it shows up, it's back every year, permanently stocking your garden border without you lifting a finger. Number 4, chickweed. Chickweed doesn't wait for you to be ready. While your garden is still frozen in February, it's already growing soft green mats in the shady corners, weeks before the last frost, weeks before any vegetable you plant can survive outside. Mild flavor like baby spinach. Vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, iron. 1 plant drops 800 seeds that stay viable for 10 years. Once it finds your yard, you have free early spring greens every year, automatically. You don't schedule it. It just handles it. Next up looks like clover, but 1 taste, and you'll never confuse them again. Number 5, wood sorrel. 3 heart-shaped leaves, small yellow flowers, thriving in the shaded dead zones, where nothing cultivated survives under trees, along fence lines, the corners you gave up on. Most people walk past it every day. Pop 1 leaf in your mouth. Bright, lemony zing. One of the better sources of vitamin C in your yard right now. Foragers in New York and LA get paid to collect this exact plant. It's growing in your forgotten corner, doing nothing, asking for nothing, completely ready whenever you are. Number 6, wild violet. Heart-shaped leaves and deep purple flowers appear along fence lines every spring, uninvited, unplanted, on their own schedule. That purple color signals antioxidants directly. Leaves and flowers are both edible and high in vitamin C. Fine dining restaurants pay for these as garnishes. Yours are free. Once established, wild violets spread on their own, crowding out weeds that would otherwise need your attention. Letting them grow isn't laziness. Number 7, red clover. Those pink-purple pom-pom flowers you mow right over. While you're mowing, that clover is pulling nitrogen from the air and pushing it into your soil, free fertilizer. running automatically. No bag of product, no time from you. Farmers planted this deliberately to restore depleted fields before synthetic fertilizers existed. The dried flowers make a mild sweet tea. Clinical studies show red clover's compounds can reduce hot flashes and slow bone loss. The same compounds sold in supplement bottles for $15 to $30. Your lawn is growing them without being asked. The last three are where the real value is. Plants people are actually spending money to replace. Number 8. Sheep sorrel. Small arrow-shaped leaves with a slight reddish tint, growing in thin grass and garden edges. It grows in the acidic, depleted soil that defeats most garden plants, producing food in exactly the spots where your effort would be wasted anyway. Sharp, tangy, lemony flavor. Rich in vitamin C and iron. Used in Native American and European folk medicine for generations as a digestive tonic. It found the worst corner of your yard and decided to be useful there. Your only job is to not pull it. Number 9. Yellow dock. Long, wavy-edged leaves at the edges of your property fence lines. Path borders. Anywhere the soil gets disturbed. Comes back from a deep taproot every year without replanting. Grow exactly where you weren't planning to do anything anyway. Young leaves cook like spinach. The root has been used for centuries as an iron supplement and liver tonic more absorbable iron than most commercial supplements. It fills the blank spaces, so you don't have to. Number 10. Purslane. Here it is. The one teased at the start. Low fleshy stems, small rounded leaves, spreading across bare soil and hot driveway cracks. It shows up in August heat when everything you planted is wilting. Purslane is thriving. The conditions that stress every cultivated plant are exactly what it wants. It contains more omega-3 fatty acids than any other leafy green plant on Earth. More than any leafy green. On Earth. The number most people spend $20 to $30 a month chasing in fish oil capsules. Purslane gives it free from the crack in your driveway and grows back next week without a single thing from you. In Mexico, it's a beloved cooking green. The WHO lists it as one of the most important medicinal plants on the planet. In the US, we spray it with poison. It grows back anyway. That's how little it needs from you. 10 plants. No seed packets. No fertilizer. No watering. No replanting. Nature already did the hard part. These show up every year on their own, in the worst soil, the hottest corners, the cracks nobody tends. Every spring, you've been spending money fighting exactly these plants. Now, you know what they are. Stop fighting. The lazy gardener wins this one. This week before you grab the spray bottle, take 60 seconds and look down. Your laziest garden is already growing.